In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert static and dynamic date and time in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where you want to add your date or time. This is useful in all kinds of situations, like tracking entries, logging updates, or marking when information was added to a sheet. Excel gives you two general options when working with date and time values. You can insert static values which stay exactly the same after you enter them, or dynamic values which update automatically. In this video, we're focusing on the keyboard methods for entering static date and time values quickly and accurately. Let's begin with inserting a static date. A static date does not change later, so it's ideal when you want to permanently record the day something happened. Click the cell where you want the date to appear, then press Ctrl and semicolon. As soon as you do that, Excel inserts today's date into the selected cell. This is one of the fastest shortcuts to know, especially if you work with logs, reports, or daily records. Next, let's look at inserting a static time. Just like the static date, a static time remains unchanged after you enter it. Select the cell where you want the time, then press Ctrl, Shift, and semicolon. Excel will immediately place the current time into that cell. This is helpful when you need an exact timestamp for something like the moment a task was completed or when data was received. If you need both the date and the time in the same cell, Excel makes that easy too. Start by selecting the cell where you want the full timestamp. First, press Ctrl and semicolon to insert the date. Then press the spacebar once to separate the date from the time. After that, press Ctrl, Shift, and semicolon to add the current time. The result is a single entry that includes both a static date and a static time together. This method is especially useful when you want a timestamp that stays fixed and does not recalculate later. That's the key difference between static and dynamic entries. Static values are locked in at the moment you enter them, while dynamic ones update automatically based on the current date or time. And that's how to quickly insert static date and time values in Excel using simple keyboard shortcuts. If you want speed, accuracy, and a reliable way to record information, these shortcuts are definitely worth memorizing.